This progressive hairstyle has a triangle shape. Volume and expansion create a combination in texture. Divide the hair into 6 sections. First, secure the fringe by creating a triangle from temple to temple. Then, part the hair from ear to ear across the apex. Final parting is along the occipital bone to create the 6th section. Start at the center of the nape and create a vertical subsection. Holding your fingers at a 45-degree angle, create a traveling guide. Once your traveling guide has been created, hold your hand at a 45-degree angle and follow the guide from the center of the nape to the ear. Repeat the same technique in step 4 on the opposite side of the nape. Cut with the palm-to-palm technique, using your previous section as your guideline. Refine the haircut and add texture at the nape by cutting horizontally using the shear over comb technique. Continue the shear over comb technique throughout the entire nape, positioning the non-movable blade of the shears parallel to the ridge of the comb. End result of the graduated nape area. Release the crown section and create a stationary guideline by positioning your fingers at a 45-degree angle. Distribute all the hair toward the middle and work along a stationary guideline. Continue working in this section, following your guideline until you reach the apex. Repeat the same distribution on the opposite side of the head. The guideline at the sides is sculpted with the comb control technique in the natural fall movement. Repeat the same technique on the opposite side of the head by using your comb as a measuring tool. Create a triangle at the fringe. Take a diagonal subsection and cut the hair parallel to the parting, T to the part. Continue step 16 throughout the entire area to create a more uniform fringe look.